Chekele kenye mbocha.
Chekele kele mbocha.
Kibo lofu.
Kibo lofu.
Aluboka segi nano lana.
Abuloka laka segi laka.
Kele kenye mbocha kiime lofu. Aluboka segi nano lana. Kigele guno keke na mbweke nubweke bulefi. Kadola nandiola leife. Nepo mwadam, wata demi.
This is boy Ty Samuel. We're here in Utrecht. I made this song called Ogade Chekweche, which is translated in English, Time Waits for No One. It's actually a funny song, so I came to Utrecht and I get some guests to sing along with it. It's quite funny because they are actually singing after me in a language which that is new to them. And I hope you enjoy it. This is boy Ty Samuel, live at Utrecht. I'm here with
Happy.
and Abby. Priscilla, where are you from?
Mexico. Kim. Priscilla. Amber.
So, these girls are gonna sing the song I made, which is in Igbo language, a foreign language, a language I never heard before, but they're gonna nail it. Let's sing. So, in there, Ichipa akwa n'ilo, nwanna akwa n'aka, ọkwa akala aka, anyị Igbo niile, osi akala aka, chekere kenye mbocha, iwe lofu, aluboka segi nano lana.
Ogade chekweche, baba kwambe nekwa sasi nonu jebe puka. Sikwa nke kokele kukisi tulu, nonani nakwa kakolikun.
It's a rap song, so when you rap, you have to look at the camera. Otherwise, you understand? To sound convincing.
Rap?
Gini ne medu.
Oh, migine.
Mmili na-ezo.
Mili nesu.
Ichipa akwa n'ilo.
Ichiki makaliko.
Nwanna akwa n'aka.
Wana
Ọkwa akala aka.
Wakalaka.
Anyị Igbo niile.
Anibo nine.
Bosi akala aka.
Bosia kalaka.
Wata demi fega to buemo kana lana leife. Adaka adaka
Ọdụkụ mmadụ gbakwa awa chiki n'ikwete.
kakolikun. Ogade chekweche, baba kwambe nekwa sasi nonu jebe puka. Sikwa nke kokele kukisi tulu, nonani nakwa kakolikun. Sasi nonu jebe puka. Sikwa nke kokele kukisi tulu, nonani nakwa kakolikunu. Ogade chekweche, baba kwambe nekwa sasi nonu jebe puka. Sikwa nke kokele kukisi tulu, nonani nakwa kakolikunu. Ogini na-emedu, mmili na-ezo ichipa akwa n'ilo, nwanna ọkwa n'ala, akwa n'aka, ọkwa akala aka, anyị Igbo niile, bụsị akala aka. Dadi London, nwoke